one example 25. After that, I will discuss few questions of exercise 10.4. Then we will move to miscellaneous. Bhavya, Kiran, any doubt to you in the previous topic?
No,
No, sir.
Okay, Suchali. Example 25. Is saying find the area of the parallelogram. So in this example, we have to find out area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by, one side is given by 3i plus j plus 4k. Another side is given by I minus j plus k. So situation is like this. This is the parallelogram. This is vector E and this is vector B. This is B and this is A. So area of parallelogram is equal to magnitude of A cross B. So first we will get A cross B, which is equal to I, J, K, component of A vector 3, 1, 4. These are the component 3, 1, 4. Component of B vector 1, minus 1, 1. So which is equal to I 1 plus 4 minus J 3 minus 4 plus K minus 3 minus 1. So ultimately it is 5i my plus j minus 4k. So A cross B magnitude, which is equal to 5 square plus 1 square plus minus 4 square under root. 25 plus 1 plus 16. This is 25 plus 17, which implies area of parallelogram is equal to under root 42. So when you have to find out the area of the parallelogram, what all you required two sides of the parallelogram. One is A, second is B. So both the sides are given. These sides should be adjacent sides. Clear? And it must have one vertex common. So I have taken AB as A and AD as a B because A vertex is now common. We know that area of the parallelogram, this is A cross B magnitude. So the method to find out A cross B that we have already discussed, ijk, then component of the first vector A. So component of the vector 3, 1, 4. I can say component or I can say direction ratios. Direction ratios of A. What do you mean by direction ratio? The component attached with I, J and K are called direction ratio. So the component of P, this is 1 minus 1, 1. So I have written 1 minus 1, 1. Then I have solved and I calculated the value of A cross B. This is my A cross B. Now magnitude of A cross B, I have calculated I component square, J component square, K component square, and this is the net value. Please let me know as soon as you will note it down.
Noted, sir.
Chali, come to question number 5. Question number 5 of exercise. (10.4) question number 5. Find lambda and mu. If 2i plus 6j plus 27k cross I plus lambda j plus mu k equal to 0. Now, cross product of two vectors is equal to 0. I want to get the value of lambda and mu. अब सबसे पहले देखिए the cross product of two vectors, which implies if I will take the cross product of two vectors, this is I, j, k. Component of the first vector, this is 2, 6 and 27. Component of the second vector, this is 1, lambda, mu, which is 0, which implies I 6 mu minus 27 lambda minus j 2 mu minus 27 plus k 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to, this is 0. So 0 means it is 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Please note it down. 0 vector means every component of this vector is 0. So that means two vectors are equal. I'm saying the entire left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means each component of the left side is equal to each component of the right side. So 6 mu minus 27 lambda equal to 0. 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0. 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 3 and mu is equal to 27 over 2. These are the two answers of this question. Mankiran, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note it down. Now, next question number 6. Bhavya, is it fine with you? Are you getting, Bhavya? Bhavya is not responding. I feel he's not here. No. Only 3 girls. Disha, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 6 पे देखिए बेटा. Given that A dot B is equal to 0, this vector equal to 0, it is given. A cross B is also equal to 0, it is given. He's saying what you can conclude for vector A and B. तो A और B के लिए आप क्या conclude करोगे? अब देखो पहली बात, A क्रॉस B अगर 0 है, इसका मतलब क्या? या तो वेक्टर A 0 होगा या वेक्टर B 0 होगा, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ B 0 होगा, और vector A is parallel to vector B, because when the two vectors will be parallel, theta is equal to 0 which implies a sine 0 is equal to 0. So this is the case of cross product. Now, in the case of dot product, if A dot B equal to 0, which implies either vector A magnitude 0 या तो फिर B magnitude 0 होगा, or vector A should be perpendicular to B, because if theta is 90, cos 90 must be is equal to 0. Under those circumstances, the dot product will be 0. So this is important for MCQ also. Now, question number 7 of this exercise. Can I go to the next screen if you people have noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. Question number 7. So he has given us that vector A, B, and C is given by C. He has given us vector A, A1I, A2J, A3K. Vector B is given by B1I, B2J, B3K. Vector C is given by C1I, C2J, C3K. We have to prove A cross B plus A cross C. We have to prove this. Now, solution. First, go with left hand side. In the left hand side, A cross B plus C. So first calculate B plus C. This is B1 plus C1I, B2 plus C2J, B3 plus C3K. Now, A cross B plus C, which is I, J, K, B plus C, component of A first, because A comes first, so component of A comes first, A1, A2, A3. Now, component of B plus C, this is B1 plus C1, B2 plus C2, B3 plus C3. Now, when I will open I, it goes A2 is to B3 plus C3 minus A3 B2 plus C2 minus J A1 B3 plus C3 minus A3 B1 plus C1 plus K A1 B3 plus C3 minus A3 B1 plus C1. This is A2 B3 plus A2 C3 minus A3 B2 minus A3 C2 minus J A1 B3 plus A1 C3 minus A3 B1 minus A3C1 plus K A1B3 A1C3 A3B1 A3C1. So I have solved for the value of A cross B plus C to evaluate my left hand side. So in the same way, what you will do, you will go with the right hand side now. So my first thing is A cross B. So first I will find out A cross B. This will be I, J, K, and A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. So which is I, A2, B3 minus B2, A3 minus J, A1, B3, A3, B1 plus K, A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Now you will find out A cross C, then you will add A cross C. This is I, J, K, A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, C3. This is I, A2, C3 minus A3, C2 minus J, A1, C3 minus A3, C1 plus K, A1, C2, C1, A2. Now add number 2 and number 3. You will get the same value as number 1. Clear? Add 2 and 3. I hope this is clear with everyone. Girls, Bhavya, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
First, I have
Yes.
calculated my left hand side. In my left hand side is this, which I have put in a box. This is my left hand side. And on my right hand side, there are 2 values. I have calculated 2 values. I have marked them, number 2 and 3. Now I will add number 2 and 3, and it will be equal to number 1. Clear? So this you have to finish at your own. Clear? Itna chota sa. Quickly इसको नोट करिए और मेरे को बता दीजिए. So then I will finish with question number 8. Rest of the questions please finish at your own. I will take your difficulties tomorrow, then we will move to the miscellaneous exercise.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done.
Good. Come to question number 8. Important. बाकी के सारे क्वेश्चंस आपसे हो जाएंगे. मेरे को ऐसा नहीं लगता कि नहीं कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो आप अब नहीं कर पाओगे. He's saying if either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0, then A cross B is equal to 0. अगर A 0 हो या B 0 हो तो A cross B कहता है जी 0 होगा. Is the converse true? Is converse true? What do you mean by this? वो कह रहा है जी A क्रॉस B 0 दे रखा है. अब क्या ऐसा हो सकता है कि A भी 0 ना हो और B भी 0 ना हो? अब देखिए मैं अपनी तरफ से एग्जांपल लेता हूं, ए की वैल्यू 2i प्लस 3j प्लस 4k। मैं बी एक एग्जांपल ले लेता हूं, 4i प्लस 6j प्लस 8k। अब पहले तो चेक करें, अब मैं इसका मैग्नीट्यूड लूं, क्योंकि कोई भी वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं है तो जीरो होने का सवाल ही नहीं। तो 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर अंडर रूट। So 2 square, this is 4, 9, 16, which implies A vector is not equal to 0. अब B भी चेक कर लें, तो 4 स्क्वायर, 6 स्क्वायर, 8 स्क्वायर अंडर रूट, तो 16, 36 and 64. So this is 116, which implies B is not equal to 0. अब A क्रॉस B चेक करें जी। This is I, J, K. A component, this is 2, 3, 4. This is 4, 6, 8, B component. Now, A cross B, which is equal to I. 8 is 2, 3, 24 minus 24 minus J. 16 minus 16 plus K. 12 minus 12. So which is I 0, J 0, K 0, which implies it is 0. So what it means here, A cross B equal to 0. So which implies neither A is 0 nor B is 0, but still A cross B is equal to 0. So you have to remember this example. Clear? It can be asked in the paper. So that's all for this exercise. I will finish the miscellaneous of this chapter tomorrow, and then we will start with the three-dimensional geometry. That is the second last chapter, and after that there is a probability. Miscellaneous is also very important. So we'll try to finish the examples as well as the difficult questions of miscellaneous tomorrow. So don't be absent in the class tomorrow. Thank you. Have you noted? Yes, kids, have you noted?